So hi everybody, I decided to do a quick study of the same model, and this is just on 8x10 canvases, and how the difference of backgrounds, color, medium on the underside on the background, along with the color and texture, and how that works when I do an oil painting on top of the underpainting. This one, it was just a canvas that I had that somebody had painted the whole thing in oils in a purple. And so I thought, you know what, let's try with that. I like the undertone of the purple coming out through her, but it was extremely difficult on oils to be able to get any type of blending. And I'll try to bring that in close so that you can see actually where you have to just kind of lay the paint in without having to blend it. So then by adding gesso to your undertone, and gesso just has chalk in it, it helps the oil paint absorb into the canvas a little bit better and stick and hold in there. So to me it's real important to use gesso. And then I just toned this gesso. This one was a little bit of a gray and orange tone. And you can see, if I move that in real close, just like I did the other one, you can see how that blends better when you lay your pieces, when you lay your paint. And on all three of these I used exactly the same paints. And then I thought, okay, well, let's see what it would look like more on a gray-green background. And once again, when you zoom in, you can see how you get a little bit better blend. Let me see, well, tip it this way. How you get a little bit better blending when you lay your paint in for the face. So this was just a quick experiment just to see what the underpainting and how it affects your overall painting. And I should have done one just on a raw white canvas to be able to show you. But then the white over here from the light coming in would not have showed up very well. So other than just explaining the difference in the background with the gesso and the different color tones, I wanted to explain for the piece itself, for these studies, what colors I used. This time I used zinc white, cadmium yellow, cadmium red, cobalt blue, the burnt umber, and the burnt sienna. And then the main headband and clothing was done with the Parisian green. And then I used the ivory black for the hair. And so those are the basic colors used to do the portrait studies.